Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this tutorial I'll be demonstrating how to create this pink and teal cake. I have a 5-inch cake and I've created the final layer of frosting here, so underneath this you'll have your crumb coated cake. Taking my acrylic bench scraper and going around the cake until the frosting is nice and even. Remove that top layer of buttercream, just that lip, and pop it into your freezer to set for at least 15 minutes. Do the exact same thing for a 7-inch cake, and then rather than putting it into the fridge, I'm going to grab my square frosting comb and go around the cake. I went around a few times just to make sure that that texture was well ingrained in my buttercream, and then using some buttercream coloured teal by Americolor gel food colour, going around into those spots that are empty. The beauty about this particular design is that you don't have to limit yourself to one colour. Here I've added in dusky pink, which is also a gel food colour by Americolor. The very last row I've gone in with the teal again, and it's very simple to create that striped effect. Just take your bench scraper and go around the cake until you have nice even lines. I probably went around the cake about 10 times to create this nice smooth finish, and you can't even tell that it was piped on. So it's nice and neat. Once you're happy with the effect, bring that lip of frosting to the center and clear up the top edge, and pop your cake into the fridge to set for at least half an hour. You can also pop it into the freezer for 15 minutes. Apply some dowels into the center of your cake, at least 5 here, and then pop your 5-inch on top. And to decorate, I have these flowers. I chose these ones here particularly because they have different shades of pink in them. They tend to be darker in the center and then lighter petals on the outside, and just looked really, really nice. With some buttercream, sticking on some decorative chocolate balls as well. I do have a tutorial on how to make these chocolate balls, so that'll be linked in the description box below, or you can click the little eye icon at the top right hand of your screen. As a finishing touch, I've taken a number 32 piping tip and piping around the chocolates. And you're done. That's how you create a really fun and easy pink and blue cake, decorated with those chocolate balls that we made before and fresh flowers. Alternatively, you could have put the stem of the flower into a straw and popped it into the cake that way. There's 1,000 different ways you can apply fresh flowers on the cake. I just decided to do it this way today. I hope you guys are inspired to give this cake a go or something similar, and if you do, please send me some photos. I would love to see what you guys come up with as well. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you again next week on Tuesday.